So HubSpot has a really cool feature called Playbooks, which is available in the Enterprise Edition, Sales Enterprise Edition. And what it basically does is it helps you put together a series of questions that you need to answer during a specific call with a client. And the idea is to help keep you on track, what the qualifying questions are for each stage throughout the funnel so that you're not calling them for no reason and you know that you've gotten all the points and haven't missed anything during the call. The problem with that is just that it's available in the Sales Enterprise Edition, which is not too cheap. But on the other hand, a lot of people don't have, you don't need to upgrade all the way to Enterprise just for that feature. And so I had a workaround that works even on the starter plan, which is what I'm on now. I just want to share with you guys. So if you go into the settings, go down into the deals. And in the deal properties, I added in the questions that I want to have. Then once you go to pipeline, if you choose the stages as they move through the funnel, so I want to put this for people going from the appointment scheduled, I get on the call with them. As I start the call, I move them into the qualified to buy section. And there I would say that the qualifying questions that I added, the custom fields, and these are the questions I want to know if they're considering alternative solutions. When do they help them make a decision to buy, and if they are the decision maker, for example. And obviously, this could be customized to your needs. I save this, and then when I go into the deals pipeline, I could take that existing deal that's, I had an appointment scheduled with them. Now I got on the call with them, so I move them into the qualified to buy section. And are you considering alternative solutions? No. When do you plan to buy? By the 8th. Are you the decision? Who is the decision maker? They are. Now I answered all these questions, so I got all the qualifying questions I need in place, and I am recording them. And then what I did is the next person who goes into this deal will actually have all of those questions right here on the left sidebar. I added them as records in here. So the person on the line will actually have all that information. I hope this is helpful. This definitely saves you upgrading all the way to Enterprise for one feature that you'd like to use. Have a great day.